Hi, this phone model is Redmi 12C phone. Now, today I'll show you how to connect OTG in the phone, and I'll also show today how to use OTG on the phone and can use pendrive and mouse and memory card if you want. And I'll also show today if your phone OTG not working, how to solve this problem. If you want to connect OTG in this phone, at first you find the option called settings. When you find settings option, then you have to go to settings and you will see an option called search setting. Then you have to click on search settings and you need to write the search box OTG, but could not find result show. And mind it, this phone basically have not to turn on any option to get OTG connection option. And second time you need to OTG and pendrive. This connected the two well, and third time I will put this OTG on my phone and wait few seconds. You can see my phone OTG is working properly, and you just click on it, explore, show your phone pendrive files. And mind it, if your phone OTG not working, you just replace your phone OTG and solve your phone OTG not working problem. And if you want to use mouse in this phone, you just put this mouse here and wait few seconds after installing it. But here I can see mouse is properly working. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.